is Tūī? Where is Tūī? Where can he be? Is he in the kōwhai tree, quiet as can be? Where is Tūī? Where is Tūī? Can you see? Peekaboo, peekaboo, here I am. Tūī, 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 singing in the sun. Peekaboo, peekaboo, spring has come. Where is Tūī? Where is Tūī? Where can he be? Is he in the flax bush, swaying in the breeze? Where is Tūī? Where is Tūī? Can you see? Peekaboo, peekaboo, here I am. Hello Tūī, singing in the sun. Flap, 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 spring has sprung.
This story is called Tūī in the Kōwhai Tree.
Winter was nearly over. The little kōwhai tree stood quietly on the hillside. Makahiri, whispered kōwhai, I will sleep a little longer. One sunny morning, Tūī flew by. Flap, flap, flap. Tūī, Tūī, he sang. The warm sun shone down. The soft rain fell. Tiny green leaves began to appear. Kia ora, kōwhai, sang Tūī, spring is here. The kōwhai tree stretched her branches. Little golden flowers opened one by one. Pop, pop, pop. Kia ora, Tūī, said kōwhai, my flowers are ready. Tūī dipped his beak into the sweet nectar. Sip, sip, sip. Tūī, Tūī, Tūī. His song rang across the valley. The bees came buzzing, the butterflies came dancing, and all around New Zealand, spring had sprung.
Singing in the kōwhai tree, e roto I te rākau. Kōwhai, kōwhai blooms, puawai kōwhai rā. Tūī loves the golden flowers, he tino a te haua. In Raumati sun, the ngaheri hums. Cicadas sing with buzzing tongues. There's lots of berries for everyone. Kereru loves to fill her tum. Ki te huringa ko peka o te tau. The seasons turn around. In Ngahuru rain, the mushrooms grow, popping up from the earth below. Leaves fall down as the breezes blow. Red and orange and brown and gold. Ki te huringa ko peka o te tau. The seasons turn around. Get cold, the birds still sing. Tūī guards the nectar spring. Matariki's twinkling, the sounds of dawn are echoing. Ki te huringa ko peka o te tau. The seasons turn around. In Koanga the blossoms grow. Flowers bloom and breezes blow. Shoots spring up from the earth below. Nature puts on quiet. Te huringa ko peka o te tau